Hello, welcome back guys. In this video I am going to show you how to fix your VirtualBox error problem. VirtualBox is one of the most popular freeware virtual machines for Kali Linux and other operating systems, next to paid apps like VMware. Whether you are testing code, comparing browser or just experimenting, this common error is easy to fix. Whether you are trying to set up a Windows, Linux or Mac VMware, the error is appearing because this is your Kali first time installing any Oracle product like VirtualBox. That's why it gave you this error. So today in this video I will going to show you how to get rid of this problem or error, whatever you said it. So simple. First open your terminal and type this command sudo apt-get remove VirtualBox. When you type this command, it will ask you your permission. You can simply type Y. When you type Y, it's removing their VirtualBox package, so it will take time, so please wait here. Now you can type sudo apt-get remove purge VirtualBox dkms. This command, you can type this command. This command also I given in the description below. You will copy there and paste in your terminal. Okay, so now you can type sudo apt-get update. Now you type sudo apt-get upgrade. Now you can type carefully sudo apt-get install -y linux, this complete command. When you enter this command, if you are having this type of problem, run update or try with fix missing. Okay, when you having this problem, I have a solution for you. So simply type in your terminal sudo apt-get update fix missing. When you enter this command on your terminal, it will fix missing any or every error. Okay, now after you type this command, you can wait 2 to 3 minutes. It will complete their work. And now you can type here sudo apt-get install -y VirtualBox dkms. This is the last command. Okay, it will take much time. It's completely depend on your internet speed, so have patience. Now you can see, if you can see in your terminal, this type dkms install completed. When you see this, so simply type here VirtualBox and hit enter. When you hit enter, now you can see over here there is no error is coming. Now you can hit the start button, or every machine, if you have Windows, Ubuntu, Mac, every type of operating system, it didn't give you error. Now this is the video and time. If you like my video, please hit the subscribe button and please thumbs up, and happy hacking. Okay, bye, good luck.